Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are share with you the stunning half pure chiffon saree. It's available at 650. As we open the package, the first thing we noticed in the beautiful and delicate chiffon fabric, this saree feels incredible, soft and lightweight, perfect for those special occasions. The color is absolutely memorizing, a vibrant shade that is sure to make you stand out from the crowd. Moving on to the design, the saree features an execute saree with intricate detailing. The golden pattern adds a touch of elegance and creating a stunning contrast. And against the rich color of the saree, it true is a work of art. But that's not all. The saree also comes with a matching blouse piece, allowing you to create the perfect symbol. You can tailor it to your preferred and style and size, ensuring a comfort fit. It's always great when you get a complete package, isn't it? Now let's talk about the quality. The fabric feeling durable and high quality, which is impressive considering and the affordable price point. This saree is definitely steal whether you are attending a wedding, festive or gathering. This half pure chiffon saree is sure to make head turns. It's great addition to your wardrobe and offering both style and comfort, and we highly recommend this saree to all fashionistas out there. With its stunning design, high quality fabric and unbeatable price, it's a must have. Don't miss out on this amazing deals. And that wrap up our unboxing and review of the half pure chiffon saree. If you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion finds and reviews. Thank you for watching my video. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye.